All right, folks, got a few chart requests here over from our Twitter thread over here. If you guys got requests, watch out for Twitter. I drop chart request threads. People can request charts. I just look at the ones that I think are interesting here and that are setting up. Cody requested two here for Cipher and SMCI. There's also another one here for SoFi. I'm really liking this SoFi setup here, guys. Let me talk about this for a sec because I think it's very important that you guys understand this. Okay, our goal here at Overkill Trading is to buy when this blue wave is down here below the white line. Okay, that is our strategy. Okay, we trade a weekly chart. These are not day trades. These trades take time to play out. You can see that we are getting some of those green dots right now here on SoFi, but that's not the only reason I'm bullish on it. Okay, the last time we got these signals was all the way back in April. So you guys got to understand, these opportunities don't come around every single day. Okay, this is like a once in a year. You get this opportunity like once a year. Okay, one time a year is a good time to buy stocks, and that is right now. Okay, and you're looking, see, like I said, 2024, right there. Okay, you bought SoFi at $6. Okay, it went all the way up here to 18. That was a 200% move. It pulled back. What did we get here in April? Okay, we got that signal. It popped all the way up to 32. Now, some people see these green dots and they don't see their portfolio go up 300% the next day, and they're like, what's going on? Well, you guys need to understand, like, these take time to play out, right? We're on a weekly chart, so each one of these candles is 1 week worth of time. That's 7 days in each candle, right? So these signals are for 1 to 6 months out. Okay, 1 to 6 month swing trades. That's what these are. Sometimes it happens really fast. Sometimes it takes more time. Again, you got the signal there in April, and it topped out here in August. That was a 5-month buy and hold. Okay, we want to sell up here. This is when everyone was talking about SoFi up here, right? Everyone was excited. All the influencers were showing you their big positions on SoFi up here at $30. Okay, and now they're not talking about SoFi anymore because it just pulled back 50%. But guess what? Now we have the signals, and not only do we have the signals on SoFi, but it's into our 4-year moving average. So the way we know that we're getting a fair price on an asset is we look at the 4-year, the moving average, right? The mean. Okay, the mean is just the average. Okay, you know you're getting a fair price if you're buying it at the average. You don't get a fair price when you're buying it way up off the average. You see the separation there? Okay, that's why we don't buy. That's also why this was up here as well. So SoFi looks really good. This is one of my favorite stocks going into April. SMCI also pulled back into a range where it pulled back into right here in 2024. This is a big company, okay? They just got in trouble. Their co-founder was smuggling chips or something to China, caused it to go down, but that was an opportunity, okay? We need the signal here on SMCI, okay? Need the signal. I bought more of that at 20, and the last one was Cipher. Cipher just needs the signal. The last one came back here in April at 2. It went all the way up to 20.